We're coming at you again from the auto show with the next vehicle that really caught our attention here. We're checking out right now a Volvo V60 wagon, aka one long boy. And let me tell you, over the last few years, Volvo has upped their interior quality and just the overall build quality of their vehicles to a whole new level. So all of the fit and finish in this vehicle, initial impressions is wow, this car, everything is very nice and soft to the touch. Even like I was opening and closing, it's got this gigantic panoramic sunroof here, which I'll send back a little bit. Even this metal trim piece is like super heavy duty, super nice. You've got all the LED interior lighting again, frameless rear view mirror, and this screen is one of the nicer units I've seen. It takes a second or two to get used to how things work, but it's incredibly responsive. I think, yeah, your camera is showing that, just how quick to respond it is to my finger. Just everything is controlled from here if you wanted to, and it's in a way where it makes sense. So you've got vehicle functions, your entertainment, so your music, everything like that, your nav's up top, and then you've got more applications there. So you got media, apps, and then your vehicle overall performance here, lights, headrest folding, things like that. And it's very, very nice place to be. The sound system's incredible. We were testing that out there. This is a very interesting interior color package. Show the seats. It's almost like a plaid, like textured type here. You can see it here. I don't know if you want to focus in on that. It's very, very strange. You've got carpeting on the side of the center tunnel here. It's just, you can tell they really wanted to go above and beyond with the overall fit and finish of this car. Very, very strange. You have a white and black accented steering wheel. It's got the Harman Kardon sound system here. Oh, look at this. So we can go into the different camera even without the vehicle being driven. You've got, your standard 360 view where it'll do the 360 around the car. You've got your guidance lines, everything like that. But
and then you can actually focus on
specific cameras. You should be able to, yep. So if you wanted to see just what's going on the right-hand side of your car, you've got that there. Also, we've got the digital cluster. I'll go ahead and let Ander pan in on that for us here. I don't know how much it's going to let me interact with it. Not really too much, just because the car's in auto show mode. But you do have the digital cluster in this vehicle as well, just like we were talking about in all the different Audis. Very, very nice to have. What are your initial impressions, Ander? Oh, I got one last thing before I let you go. I love the ignition on these new Volvos here. It's like you turn the car on and off. You've got almost like a toggle switch with a drive mode right below it. And I did see in a Volvo interview, they wanted this to look like it was cut from glass, which is why they have the weird kind of diamond texture in it.
That's really cool.
It feels good. It's just weird attention to detail. But yeah, what are your thoughts on it? This is a cool car.
I really like the new design of the Volvo since they come out with the new V60 and also the V70. I really like their wagons. I'm speechless. This is like, if you want an SUV, you should definitely consider a Volvo a station wagon.
Yeah, we know wagons aren't the most popular in America, but this really, it makes you question if you need an SUV.
I think if you have 2 kids,
this will do it.
This will do it.
Oh, a little quirk and feature, aka Doug DeMuro. Owner's manual is loaded into the car's infotainment system, so you can pull up the entire vehicle owner's manual right through the head unit.
That's really nice, so they don't have to print it out.
They don't have to print it out, so you don't have to worry about fumbling.
One thing I want to look at.
You can even search if you want to type in something.
Let's search the engine.
I don't know if I'll tell you about it there, but...
Capital D. Capital N. Capital G.
Engine oil, engine compartment overview. So look at this. You can learn about what looks like what in your car just going right into the owner's manual. And we're going to do the same thing. We'll give you a quick pan around the outside of the vehicle when we get out here. But again, a nice test at the auto show is get in the car, close the doors, close the windows to hear the overall sound deadening. And this car's quiet, right?
Yeah, this is so much quieter than all the other cars.
So we'll give you a quick spec on the pricing and, engine size on the outside when we check it out.
Sorry, I'm so interested in this. It tells you all this stuff.
It literally tells you everything right from the car. It's insane. Let's just see if I can put on the headlights here. No, they got
That's so cool. All right, let's go check
out.
out.
There's also heads-up display. Let me see if I can get that on the camera for you here. Yep. You can see you got right in the cluster there as this woman walks by. We got 0 miles an hour because race car. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and check out the outside of the vehicle for you guys. All right, so like we were saying, this is a V60 here, and it actually comes in 3 different trim levels, starting at as low as $39,000 to as high as almost $50,000. And we'll just give you a quick kind of pan around the exterior here just to show you what this cream-colored interior looks like on the outside.
tunes, or are you gonna keep wandering?
I'll wander with you for a bit. I don't have to do anything.
Make sure we get a good shot of the front end. Oh, you know what I like about this vehicle? No stupid plastic fender flares.
Because it doesn't need to be a rugged to be in it.
A beautiful wagon.
Ah, look at this.
Yeah, Volvo's got the new signature headlights. I must have said signature for every car in Audi. Now I'm saying it for Volvo. It's my word of the day. We've got the headlights, and you got the camera integrated really nicely into the Volvo emblem there. And there you have it. That's the new V60.